Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on Zoho CRM, from setup to managing customers like a pro. So if you're new, don't worry, just follow along. First, go to the Zoho CRM website and sign up for a free account. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your control center where everything happens. The dashboard shows your sales activities, deals, and performance. On the top menu, you'll see tabs like Leads, Contacts, Accounts, and Deals. These are the core parts of Zoho CRM. Now, let's add your first lead. Click on Leads, then hit Create Lead. Enter details like name, email, phone number, and company. This is how you start tracking potential customers. Once a lead is interested, you can convert them into a contact and deal. Just click Convert, and Zoho will organize everything for you automatically. Go to the Deals tab to track your sales pipeline. You can move deals from stage to stage, like Prospect, Negotiation, and Closed Won. This helps you see exactly where your sales stand. Zoho CRM allows you to automate tasks like sending emails or assigning leads. Go to Workflow Automation and create simple rules to save time. Finally, check out the Reports section. You can track sales performance, team activity, and growth all in one place. And that's it. You now know the basics of Zoho CRM. With practice, you'll be able to manage customers, close deals, and grow your business efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.